Om Guru Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear third class students, today discuss about multiplications. See here from your workbook, page number 33. From your workbook, page number 33. Everybody open. Find the product of the numbers in the following method. This here 524 into 36. So, what is this method? This method is called as lattice multiplication method. Lattice multiplication method. See here, write the two numbers in the form of a table. See here, you can form a table first. 5, 1, 2, 3 means you can write it here. 1, 2, 3. See here, now you can write 1, 2, 3. These three numbers. Right top of the column. Three numbers. 524 right top of the column. And then you can write 36 write down where adjacents of the rows means here 3. Now here 6. Write down everybody. Then now here while 36 is written adjacent rows, now here draw diagonals for each cell. Cell means this is box. These are the diagonals. Everybody draw diagonals for each cell. First of all, you can draw a table. Now here you can draw table. So write 524 top of the column while 36 written adjacent of the rows. So this is called as lattice multiplication method. First 524 is multiplied by 6. Now here so 6 4s are 24. You can write so 4 where so in the given cell below diagonal. So you can write it here 4 and 2 you can write above the diagonal in each cell. So 24. Next again 2 is multiplied with 6. 6 2s are 12. So you can write 2 here means below of the cell and 1 you can write here. Next 5 is multiplied by 6. 6 5s are 30. So now you can write here 0, here 3. Then 6 is completed. Now next 524 is multiplied by 3. So 4 is multiplied by 3, 4s are 12. You can write in this cell. So this is the diagonal. You can write 2 below the diagonal in the cell and you can write 1 above the diagonal. Now next here 3 2s are 6. 6 means the 6 you can write in this cell below of the diagonal and so there is no number means you can write 0. So 6 is a single digit. This is 6 you can write in the given cell below of the diagonal and there is no number means you can write instead of that 0. Now next 5 is multiplied by 3. 5 is multiplied by 3. Here 3 5s are 15. So you can write 5 in this cell below of the diagonal and 1 you can write above of the diagonal. Then here add the digits along the diagonals. Add the digits along the diagonals. See here only 4 you can write. Now here you can add along the diagonals means 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6. Now next we can add this is means so 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 0 8. Now next here. Now 0 plus 5, 5 plus 3 8 you can write where here, not here. See, you can write here 0 plus 5 plus 3 8. Now you can write 1. Then product is equals to, so the product of 524 and 36, that is equals to, you can write from this to this, means you can write first one 8 6 4. So 18,864. 18,864. Did you understand? First you can form a table according to the problem. So now I can form a table, means 524 and into 36. See here, 524 write the top of the column, while 36 is written adjacent rows of the number. See here, boxes here. Now we can write adjacent to the row. See here, 36. Then you can draw a diagonal for each cell. So this is called as a cell. So you can draw a diagonal, and now you can multiply 524 by 6. 6 4s are 24. You need to 4 write down in this box below the diagonal. 2 above the diagonal. You can do like this only, and add the digits along diagonal. Add the digits along the diagonals. So here only 4 you can write here, and 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6. Now here next we can write 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 8 8 plus 0 8. Then so here don't write. Now next 0 plus 5 5 plus 3 8. Now here 1. Then you can write. Now you can start from this to this. See here 1 8 8 6 4. Then you can write 18,864. The answer is read from left to right. The answer is read from left to right, means this to this. Now next one I can explain once again, listen. So what is that? 382 into 48. So first you can draw. Three hundred and 82. So 382 write down top of the column, and while 48 is written adjacent to the row, then you can write it here 4. Now here 8. Then so you can get table. Here you can draw diagonal for each cell. This is the diagonal. Now first 382 in each. 2 is multiplied with 8. 8 to 2 the 16. 16 is a 2-digit number. So I have to take this cell. 6 write down below the diagonal in this cell, and 1 write above the diagonal for this cell. Now next 8 8 is 64. In it 4 is taking here, and 6 is taking above the diagonal. Now next 8 3 is 24. So 4 is taking in this cell box 4, where you have to take below of the diagonal, and 2 I have to take above the diagonal. Now next 382 is multiplied with 4. 4 2 is 8. 8 is a 1-digit number. Then you can write in this cell 8 below of the diagonal. There is no number, means you can write 0 in the above the diagonal. Then next 4 8 is 32. In it 2 is taking here, and 3 is taking here. Now next 4 3 is 12. So this is, you have to take this cell. In it So 2 is taking below of the diagonal and 1 is taking below of the diagonal. Then next what I have to do? You can do add the diagonals, add the digits, along to the diagonal. See here only one. This is 6 only. You can write here. Now I have to take this 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 4 13. In it 3 is taking right down here and 1 is carrying in this diagonal. Now here you can add 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 6, 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 4 13. 3 taking right in this box and 1 carry over to this place. Now next add the digits along the diagonal. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 1 plus 3 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. Now next you can add this, only this. You can write product from left to right side. Therefore product is equals to you can write 18333 means 33 18,336. 18,336. Now next one, 862 into 24. Now first draw a table according to the problem, then you can write it here. Eight 162 write the top of the column and by 24 is written adjacent to the rows. Then you can write it here 2, here 4. Now draw the diagonal for each cell, means each box. Now 862 in it, 2 is multiplied with 4. 4 to the 8, 8 you can write it here, then here 0. Next 6 4 the 24, in it 4 is write down in this cell, 4 write down below of the diagonal, 2 write down above the diagonal. Next 4 8 the 32, so 2 write down below of the diagonal and 3 write down above the diagonal. Then next 862 is multiplied with 2, 2 2 the 4, 4 write down below of the diagonal and 0 write down above the diagonal. Now next 2 6 are 12, in it 2 is write down in the here. Now 1 is right above the diagonal. Next 2 8 are 16. So I have to take this cell, 6 write down below of the diagonal and 1 write down above the diagonal in this cell. Now here add the digits along to the diagonals. Now here 8, 4 plus 0, 4 plus 4 8. Now here 0 plus 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6. Now next we can add this 6, 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 3 10. In it 0 taking and carrying 1 here. Now 1 plus 1 you can get 2. So you can write from left to right side, product is equals to 20,688. 476 into 51. 476, write the top of the column, and 51 right, where you have to write, so adjacent to the rows, then you can write here. Then draw the diagonals for each cell. Say first 51 now. 476 is multiplied by 1. 1 6 are 6. 1 7 are 7. So 1 4 are 4. Now next 476 multiplied with by 5. 5 6 are 30. In it 0 is taking, where we have to write here. Now they write down below of the cell diagonal. Now next 5 7 are 35. It's like only. Okay. Now next 5 4 are 20. 5 4 are 20. Then add the digits along the diagonals. See here 6. 0 plus 0 plus 7 7. 3 plus 5 8. 8 plus 0 8. 8 plus 4 12. 2 taking, 1 carrying here. Now next 1 plus 3 4. Here only 2. Write the product from left to right side. Therefore, product is equals to 24,276. Next 935 into 35. So 935, write down top of the column. 35, write down where adjacent to the row. So draw diagonal for each cell. So 935 first multiplied by 5. 5 5 are 25. So we have to take this cell. Then you can write 5 below of the diagonal, and we have to take 2 above the diagonal. Next 5 3 are 15. Now next 5 9 are 45. Now next 935 is multiplied by 3. 3 5 are 15. You can write this like only. Now 3 3 are 9. 9 you can write it here. There is no number. Instead of that you can write 0. 9 3 are 27. Okay. See next add the digits along to the diagonals. Here 5. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 5 12. 2 taking, 1 carrying here. Now next 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 9 11. 11 plus 1 12. 12 plus 5 17. 7 taking, 1 carrying here. Now next we add the digits along the diagonals. 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 4 12. 2 taking, 1 carrying here. 1 plus 2 you can get 3. So product is equals You can read from left to right side. 32,725. Now next, solve the following multiplications. Page number 34. 4,568 into 4. First the given number write in column wise according to their places. See, first we multiply the digits in ones place. That is 8 with 4. 4 8s are 32. In it 2 is taking right down ones column of the product and carry 3. Next we multiply the digits in tens place. That is 6 with 4. 4 6 are 24. 3 is added to 24. You can get 24 plus 3 27. In it 7 is taking and write down in tens column of the product and carry 2. Next we multiply the digits in hundreds place. That is 5 with 4. 4 5s are 20. So 2 is added to 20. 20 plus 2 22. In it 2 is taking right down hundreds column of the products. Now here carry 2. Then next we multiply the digits in thousands place. That is 4 with 4. 4 for the 16. 2 is added to 16. You can get the 18. Then you can write a total. This is the last digit of the given number. So you can write 18 here. Then product is equals to, so therefore product is equals to 18,272. Now next, $2,973 into 5. First, the given number write in column wise according to their places. First, multiply the digits in ones place. That is 3 with 5. 5 3s are 15. In it 5 is taking and write down in ones column of the product and carry 1 data. Now next we multiply the digits tens place, next hundreds place, next thousands place respectively. So 5 7 the 35. So 1 is added to 35. 35 plus 1 36. So now 6 taking and write down in tens column of the products. Now here carry 3. Next multiply the digits in hundreds place. That is 9 with 5. 5 9 the 45 plus 3. You can get 48. You need 8 taking write down hundreds column of the product and carrying here 4. Now next 5 2s are 10. 4 is added to 10. You can get 14. This is the last place of the given number. Then you can write 14 total here. Now product, therefore product is equals to 14,865. 14,860. 5869 into 3. Write the given number in column wise according to their places. First multiply the digits in one space. 3 9s are 27. In it 7 is taking right hand in one column of the product. Carry into 3 6 are 18. 2 is added to 18. 18 plus 2 you can get 20. In it 0 is taking right down in tens column of the product and carrying 2 better. Now next 3 8s are 24. 2 is added to 24. 24 plus 2 you can get 26. In it 6 is taking right down on the space of the product and carrying 2 better. Next 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2 you can get 17, right total. Therefore product is equals to 17,607. Now next 7,132 into 8. So first multiply the digits in one's place. 2 with 8. 8 2s are 16. You need to 6 taking. Write down in one's column of the product and carry 1. Next we multiply the digits in tens place. That is 3 with 8. 8 3s are 24. 1 is added to 24. You can get 25. You need 5 taking. Write down in tens column of the product and carrying 2. Next 8 1s are 8. 2 is added to 8. You can get 10. You need 0 is taking. Write down in this column of the product and carrying 1. Next 8 7s are 56. 1 is added to 56. You can get 57. Write down total. Therefore product is equals to 57,056. Now next one 9,317 into 2. First write the given number in column wise according to their places. First we multiply the digits in one's place, that is 7 with 2. 2 7s are 14. In it 4 is taking a right down in one's column of the product and carrying 1. Next we multiply the digits in tens place, that is 1 with 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 is added to 2. 2 plus 1 you can get 3, right down in tens column of the product. Next we multiply the digits in hundreds place, that is 3 with 2. 3 2s are 6, you can write directly. Now next we multiply the digits in hundreds place, that is 9 with 2. 2 9s are 18. See here, this is the last place of the given number, you can write 18 total. So therefore product is equals to 18,634. Product is equals to 18,634. Did you understand better? Today our class is completed. Thank you. Thank you everybody.